Hi there, and welcome to the first video in the series of Getting Started with Gaming. My name is Zach, and I'm going to be your host throughout this entire journey. Are you stuck at home and bored out of your mind, and Disney and Netflix is getting just a little bit repetitive? Maybe you're looking for a new challenge. Well, you couldn't have picked a better hobby, and personally, you couldn't have picked a better host for doing this kind of information. So a little bit of background about myself. My name is Zach, and I've been playing video games since I was 7 years old, catching Pokemon in the back of my parents' van on the way to Toronto. I've played every major game console since Super Nintendo all the way up to Nintendo Switch, which came out a couple of years ago at the time of this recording. I've been playing video games virtually every day of my life ever since the days I was catching Pokemon as a kid. And so, with that being said, I wanted to introduce this entire program, which is literally just teaching you guys about gaming, going everywhere from learning about the various game consoles and a bit of their history, all the way to actually making money playing video games, which is weird because you wouldn't think you can make money playing video games, but some kid last year won $3 million playing Fortnite. There's some definite information there that you could probably know at some point, and we're going to cover all that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I will catch you guys tomorrow. See you soon.